Good morning, Broker Jeff, and happy sunny Thursday. As you can see, that's what's going on in our backyard today. I have a whole lot to unpack. We got the blizzard of no-show, so that was good for us. It was easy and manageable, but a lot of people got hit with record snowfalls. So today says sun and clouds, but right now we are celebrating nothing but sun. A high of 36, a low of 17. Friday, I know this may sound boring, but sun. 43 is a high, 29 is a low. Moving on to Saturday, sun and clouds, sounds familiar, with a balmy 49 degrees and a low of 26. Moving on to Sunday, you're probably going to wake up to a dusting of snow. That's what seems to be in the forecast right now. And we're going from 49 on Saturday to 30 on Sunday with a low of 12. That's what's going on. There are some more snow in the forecast next week. Perhaps Tuesday we may get another 1 to 3. And then the following weekend, spring ahead, and we get to see this even more. That's what's going on in my backyard. I'll talk to you soon.